How to create and verify a Coinbase account instantly. I'm going to show you how you can create and verify a Coinbase account step by step. To get started, open your browser and go to the Coinbase website. Once you are there, click sign up, enter your email address and continue. Coinbase will send a verification code to your inbox. Open the email, enter the code and proceed to the next step. Next, create a strong password for your account and continue. Now enter your first and last name exactly as they appear on your government ID. This is important because your account information must match your identification document during verification. After that, enter your mobile phone number and verify it using the code sent to your phone. Once your account has been created, switch to your smartphone to complete the identity verification. Since you will need to access your camera, on the verification screen, review the requested information and continue. Select your citizenship, then enter your city of birth and country when prompted. Continue through the verification steps until you reach the document selection page. Choose a valid, unexpired government issue ID, such as passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Follow the on-screen instructions to take clear photo of your document. If required, complete a selfie verification by following the prompts on your screen. Once everything is submitted, Coinbase will review your information. In most cases, verification is completed within a few minutes, although it may take longer in some situations. After your identity is approved, your Coinbase account will be fully verified and ready to use. And that's how to create and verify a Coinbase account.